Feeling overwhelmed with the idea of selling your home on your own? Wondering how the new NAR rules effect on August 17, 2024 impact your ability to sell with an agent? The landscape has changed, and now more than ever, using a listing agent is crucial. Today, I'll break down the top 7 benefits of why for sale by owners should consider hiring a listing agent in light of these new regulations. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and the Chicagoland. With years of experience in helping homeowners like you successfully navigate the real estate market, I'm here to make sure you get the best deal possible. The new rules are complicated, but with the right guidance, you don't have to face them alone. Navigating the new NAR rules, here we go. The new NAR rules require a buyer representation agreement before showing properties. As a FSBO seller, this could limit your pool of potential buyers. A listing agreement ensures that you're fully compliant with the new regulations and that your home gets the exposure it deserves. Access to a wider buyer network. With a listing agent, your property gets listed on the MLS, attracting serious buyers who are pre-approved and qualified and ready to purchase. Without this, you might miss out on the best offers. Professional marketing strategies. A listing agent knows how to market your home effectively using high quality photos, tours, videos, targeted online advertising to show your property to the right audience. For free marketing plans, send me an email and I'll text you my marketing plan. You will see how we will expose your property all over the internet to get you those qualified buyers. Expert pricing guidance. Pricing your home correctly is crucial, especially in today's market. A listing agent can perform a compare market analysis to set the competitive price that attracts buyers while you're maximizing your return. It's crucial that we do that. Skill negotiations. Negotiating the best deal requires an experienced and knowledgeable of the market. A listing agent like myself acts as your advocate, ensuring you get the best possible terms and conditions in your behalf. Handling all the paperwork and real estate. Transactions come with a mountain of paperwork and legal obligations. A listing agent handles all the details, reducing your stress and ensuring everything is done correctly. Time and convenience. Selling a home is a full-time job. By hiring a listing agent, you save time and avoid the hassle of managing showings, taking those calls, inquiries, negotiations, allowing you to focus more on everything else. So don't let the complexity of these new rules hold you back from selling your home. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you're not just complained, but more successful in your sale. Call me today at 773-550-4846 and let's discuss how I can help you navigate this new landscape. With my support, you'll have a trusted partner by your side holding your hand through the entire process. Remember, you're not alone. And if you find this video informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. See what we're doing for other clients. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who might be considering selling their home. Thank you for watching this video.